who used to steal, gamble, and rob. He thought he was the smartest guy around. But I found out last Monday, Bob got locked up Sunday. They got him in the jailhouse way downtown. He's in the jailhouse now. He's in the jailhouse now. Well, I told him once or twice to stop playing cards and shooting dice. He's in the jailhouse now. Here we go. Hey, hoodle, hey, hoodle, hey, hoodle,
No, not yours.
hey, hoodle, hey, hoodle, hey, hoodle. Try that for size. Bob liked to play his poker, pinochle, whist, and euchre, but shooting dice was his favorite game. But he got thrown in jail with nobody to go his bail. The judge done said that he refused the fine. He's in the jailhouse now. He's in the jailhouse now. Well, I told him once or twice to stop playing cards and shooting dice. He's in the jailhouse now. All right, ready again? Hey, hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey, hey, show up. Hey, hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey. Well, I went out last Tuesday. I met my wife named Lorelei. I said I was the swellest guy around. Right there, baby. Well, we started to spend my money, and she started to calling me honey. We took in every cabaret in town. We're in the jailhouse now. We're in the jailhouse now. Well, I told the judge right to his face, I don't like to see this here place. We're in the jailhouse now. Hey, hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey, well, we were herded to Vatican schools, educated to laboring tools. The C-Spot, Jane, and Dick book was part to blame. We were just being kids, learning words like gee whiz. And I didn't like the way they were pulling my ear. I'm in the jailhouse now. I'm in the jailhouse now. Well, they told me once or twice to stop digging for gold and be nice. I'm in the jailhouse now. All together now. Hey, hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey, 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 hoodle, hey, hey, hoodle, hey, hey, Thank you very much. That was fun.
Johnny Javo. From Oliver. I think you were trying to tell us something, Johnny.